guys, so today is self-tanning day, and if you are new to my channel and you haven't seen my videos before, for one, welcome. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. But I love to do self-tan review videos. And in my last self-tan review video, there was some discussion in the comment section about the best self-tan erasers to use. So I thought since I was about to use one and trying to get this old self-tanner off so I can put on a new self-tanner, I would just do a quick little video showing you the results that I get with the one that I use. So the one that I use is the Bondi Sands self-tan eraser. So this says it's an instant self-tan removal and a gentle foaming cleanser. So I have used this one before. But I have not used it as directed. So I've only left it on for about a minute, if even, but you are supposed to leave it on for at least 5 minutes. So I can't really give a good review on it at this point. The reason that I don't leave it on that long is because it does have a very strong chemical smell. And if you've ever, like, it smells like you're getting your hair done, or if any of you remember what the smell of a perm smells like, it kind of reminds me of that. Now keep in mind that I haven't done any research on the chemicals in this product, so I don't know if it's bad for you or not, but there's the way it smells, it kind of, I don't like to leave it on very long. You know what I mean? Like, it just makes me feel, I just don't feel comfortable leaving it on that long. So, but I will say that on the back here, it says that the self-tan eraser technology effectively removes self-tan without harmful ingredients and excessive exfoliation in just 5 minutes. So it says there's no harsh chemicals, but just keep in mind, do your own research, and yeah. But anyway, that's why I haven't left it on for as long as you're supposed to. But for the sake of this video and for the sake of this review, I'm going to be leaving it on for as long as it is supposed to be on. And then you're supposed to wash it off with warm water using a wet face cloth, and it says for more stubborn areas, use the Bondi Sands exfoliating mint to gently remove the tan. I don't have this specific exfoliating mint, but I do have one that I just typically use, and I'll show you that in a minute, for every time I take my self-tanner off. So I want to show you the area that we're gonna be testing today, because on my arm here, the self-tanner is looking a little rough. It is not faded well, so if you can see, it just looks very dry and scaly. It's not fading as well as the rest of my body. So that is going to be the main area of concern in our main test subject, because the rest of my body is kind of exfoliated off throughout the week by itself, but for whatever reason that area is just looking a mess and it's not coming off. So we're going to use that on there. So let's go ahead and get this on. Okay, so had to change my shirt, had to get a towel to put around here just in case any gets on the floor. I was going to do this in my bathroom, but I'm not feeling like setting everything up in there, so we're just going to do it right here on the floor. So it says just to apply the foam liberally to the skin. And so easy enough to use. I am going to put on some gloves for this though. Let me just put my hair up first. I'm just going to be using some gloves for this. All right, here we go. So it just comes out a clear white foam like that. So I'm just going to apply this right here. And it doesn't burn or anything. It doesn't sting. It just got a strong smell. All right, so we've got it all on. I'm gonna wait the 5 minutes and then I will be back on here after I wash it off. And we're back. So I left it on a little bit longer than 5 minutes, actually probably 10 minutes, because I decided once I had that on that to just go ahead and do the rest of my body. And I wasn't planning on doing that. So it stayed on for about 10 minutes. It did not cause me any redness, or it did not sting, burn, anything like that. This is just what I used to wash it off. This is the, I don't know what this is. It's called It's Me Time. It's just a little exfoliating mitt, and I use this anytime that I take my self tanner off. So I just use this with some regular, my regular body wash and warm water. And I didn't scrub or anything. I just used it like I normally would wash my body. So that is all I used. And let's look at the results. So I actually feel like it did a good job of taking it off. There is still some self tanner on here. So it didn't take everything off, but I still think it did a really good job of taking the majority of it off. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier or not, but this is the only self tan eraser that I've used. So I don't have anything to compare it to, but I do think that it was very helpful in taking it off. Like, I think that if I didn't have that, it would have been a lot of scrubbing and probably a couple times of doing that before I could get it to where it is right now. So hi, it's me again. I'm back. It is the next day and I was just editing the first portion of this video, and I just was not feeling right about potentially recommending a product to you guys that I wasn't fully convinced that it was, the ingredients were safe to use. So I just wanted to do a little research first before I put this video out. So I did, and I took every ingredient in this product, which there are 13 altogether, and I plugged them into cosmeticsinfo.org, which if you haven't heard of that, that is a great resource to check out any of the ingredients in your beauty products if you just want to know if they are safe or not, or what they're put in there and used for. But I plugged every ingredient into that website. I am happy to report that they all checked out as safe ingredients. So I can now 100% recommend this product to you. I think that it worked really effectively at taking off my tan. Did it do it completely? No, but it helped out tremendously. And the only downfall is really the smell for me. So other than that, I would definitely recommend checking out this product if you're looking for something to help you get that self tanner off and not have to scrub as much. So thank you for watching. If you made it this far in the video, type safe in the comments below so I know. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye.